Excel 2007 is the spreadsheet software in the Microsoft Office that allows you to store, organize, and analyze numerical and text data. Let's begin by taking a look at your Excel environment and some of the things that you can do to set up your Excel environment to make working in Excel easier for you. Down at the bottom of your Excel window, you have the Sheet tabs, which are each separate worksheets. They remind me of pages in a book. All the sheets together make up the workbook or spreadsheet. To the right is a zoom tool. You can zoom in and out by left-clicking the slider and dragging it back and forth. You can also use the scroll bar to scroll left and right in this worksheet. In the same area, you also have access to Page Views tab. By default, the normal view is selected, but you can change to Page Layout or Break View by left-clicking either option. Let's just leave this as a default. At the top of the page, you have the ribbon, which is the new tabbed menu system. If you have used previous versions of Excel, the ribbon system replaces the traditional menus. On each tab, you find commands organized in groups. Above the ribbon, you'll see the Quick Access toolbar. One of the simplest things you can do to make working in Excel faster is to customize the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar resides next to the Microsoft Office button in all of the 2007 applications. By default, the Save, Undo, and Redo commands have already been added. To view the commands that you can add, simply click the down arrow next to the Quick Access toolbar and the menu will appear. Let's see. Sort ascending and sort descending are two commands that are used often in Excel. To add the sort ascending command, just left-click it to select it, and now you can see that it appears on the toolbar. As you can see, a check mark appeared beside sort ascending. This means that it's selected and now appears on the toolbar. To remove a command, just left-click any command with the check mark and it will no longer appear. See how easy it is to add or remove commands? I'm actually going to add sort ascending and sort descending commands. I think I may need to use them when I start working with some of my spreadsheets. You can add more commands than the ones that appear in the drop-down list by clicking the More Commands option from the dialog box. Select the command you wish to add, click the Add button, and click OK. This gives you the ability to really customize Excel. While working with Excel, you may find that there are times that you want to work on your worksheet without the ribbon. Microsoft gives you the ability to minimize and maximize the ribbon. To minimize, click the drop-down arrow next to the Quick Access toolbar and select Minimize the ribbon from the list. And the ribbon disappears. Click the arrow again. You can see the check mark appears next to the Minimize Ribbon command, which indicates this feature is toggled on. To maximize the ribbon, just select Minimize the Ribbon to toggle this feature off and the ribbon will appear. You can also do this by right-clicking anywhere in the main menu and selecting Minimize the Ribbon option. The Microsoft Office button appears at the top of the window. When you left-click the button, you access the menu. From this menu, you can create a new document, open existing documents, save document in a variety of ways, and print. You can also add security features, send the document, publish, and close the document. You can also click the Excel Options button to open a dialog box where you can make some changes to the default settings. And the popular section shows a mini toolbar selected. This shows the information that appears when you hover over a command like this. If you're new to Excel, this information is helpful. If you're a power user, this may be more of an annoyance. You can turn this feature off here if you like. I'm actually going to leave this on. There are a lot of things that you can change here. For instance, if you want 4 worksheets to appear by default, you can change that here. and the Formulas section have some more complicated settings. As you learn more about Excel, you may want to revisit these settings, but for now, we'll leave it as the default. Well, I'm pretty comfortable with the setup of my workbook, and now when I know where everything is, I think I'll get started.